Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. This is the channel where you can learn English in a very easy, simple, and friendly way.
Here, we practice English slowly so that everyone can understand. If you are a beginner, if you feel shy when speaking English, or if you want to speak English with more confidence, then this channel is perfect for you.
On this channel, we learn English through real conversations, daily life situations, and simple stories. Listening to English again and again helps your brain understand the language naturally.
So, relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy learning English with us. Today's podcast topic is very special and very powerful.
Many English learners think too much before speaking. They try to make perfect sentences in their mind.
Because of this, they become slow, nervous, and sometimes they stop speaking.
But today, we will share a powerful idea.
Sometimes, the best way to learn English is to start speaking first.
Do not worry about mistakes. Do not worry about grammar too much.
So, sit comfortably, listen carefully, and enjoy this English learning podcast. Let's start today's conversation.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hello, friends. I am Umair, and I am very happy to be here again.
And I am Manha. Today, we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, today we will talk about something that many English learners feel.
That is right. Many students say, I understand English, but I cannot speak.
Yes, I hear this sentence many times.
Why do you think this happens?
I think the biggest reason is overthinking.
That is true. Many learners think too much before speaking.
They try to make a perfect sentence in their mind.
Yes, they think about grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation.
But while they are thinking, the conversation moves forward.
Exactly. And then they feel nervous.
And finally, they say nothing.
This happens to many English learners.
But today, we want to share a simple secret.
The secret is, talk first, think later.
Yes, do not wait for perfect English.
Because perfect English comes after practice, not before practice.
Manha, can I ask you something?
Of course, Umair.
Why are people afraid to speak English?
That is a very good question.
Thank you.
I think there are three main reasons.
3 reasons?
Yes.
Tell us.
The first reason is fear of mistakes.
Yes, many people are afraid to make mistakes.
But mistakes are a natural part of learning.
Even children make mistakes when they learn their first language.
Exactly. But children do not feel embarrassed.
They just speak.
And slowly, they improve.
What is the second reason?
The second reason is low confidence.
Many students think their English is not good.
Yes, so they stay silent.
But silence does not improve speaking.
Practice improves speaking.
And the third reason?
The third reason is too much grammar thinking.
Oh, yes. Grammar can make people nervous.
Grammar is important, but practice speaking is also important.
Yes. If you wait for perfect grammar, you may never speak.
Let me tell you something important.
What is it?
Language is a communication tool.
Yes, language helps people share ideas.
The goal is communication, not perfection.
That is a very powerful sentence.
Thank you.
So, if people understand you, your English is working.
Exactly. Umair, when did you start speaking English confidently?
Honestly, when I stopped worrying about mistakes.
Really?
Yes, at first I was shy.
What did you do?
I started speaking every day, even if my sentences were simple.
Did you make mistakes?
Of course, many mistakes.
But you improved.
Yes, because practice teaches more than silence.
Let us give our listeners a small exercise.
Yes, a simple exercise.
Every day, speak English for 5 minutes.
You can speak about your day.
Or talk about your plans.
Or describe what you see.
You can speak in front of a mirror.
Or record your voice.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Just talk. Talking builds fluency. Manha, I want to share something with our listeners.
Yes, Umair, please tell us.
Many people say, I know many English words, but I cannot speak.
Yes, that is very common.
They learn vocabulary every day.
They read books,
They watch English videos.
but still they feel shy when speaking.
Why does this happen?
Because speaking is a skill,
Yes,
and every skill needs practice.
just like learning to ride a bicycle.
Exactly.
You cannot learn bicycle riding only by reading a book.
You must sit on the bicycle and ride.
Maybe you fall,
Maybe you feel scared,
but slowly you learn balance.
and then riding becomes easy.
Speaking English is the same.
Let us talk about a simple daily practice.
Yes, a practice that everyone can do.
Every morning, speak English for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, just 5 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Very easy.
What should people talk about?
They can talk about their morning.
For example,
For example, good morning. Today I woke up at 7 o'clock. I brushed my teeth, then I drank tea.
that is very simple English.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
Another good practice is describing your day.
Yes, that is a great idea.
For example, I am going to work today.
Or, I will study English today.
Or, I will meet my friend today.
These small sentences build confidence.
And confidence builds fluency.
Let me ask you something, Umair.
Sure.
Have you ever felt shy speaking English?
Yes, many times.
Really?
Yes, when I started learning English, I felt very nervous.
What made you nervous?
I thought people would laugh at my mistakes.
Many learners feel this way.
But later, I understood something important.
What did you understand?
Most people are busy with their own life.
That is true.
They are not thinking about your mistakes.
Exactly. Let me say something very important.
Go ahead.
Mistakes are your teachers.
That is a beautiful sentence.
Every mistake teaches you something new.
Yes,
If you never speak, you never learn.
but if you speak, you improve every day.
Let us give our listeners a challenge.
I like challenges.
The challenge is called the 7-Day Speaking Challenge.
Sounds exciting.
For 7 days, speak English every day.
Even if it is only 10 minutes.
Yes.
What should they talk about?
Here are some ideas. Day 1, talk about yourself. Day 2, talk about your daily routine. Day 3, talk about your favorite food. Day 4, talk about your best friend. Day 5, talk about your favorite movie. Day 6, talk about your city. Day 7, talk about your dreams.
That is a wonderful challenge.
Yes, and it can improve confidence quickly.
Manha, I have another tip.
What is it?
Start thinking in English.
That is a powerful habit.
For example, when you see a cup, think, this is a cup.
When you see a car, think, that is a car.
When you feel hungry, think, I am hungry.
This trains your brain.
Another great practice is mirror speaking.
Yes, I love this method.
Stand in front of a mirror
Look at yourself.
and start speaking.
For example, hello, my name is Allie. I am learning English. I want to become fluent.
This practice builds confidence.
Speaking with friends is also very helpful.
Yes,
Find a friend who also wants to learn English,
then speak together.
even if your sentences are simple.
Practice makes progress.
Listening is also very important.
Yes, listening improves pronunciation.
When you watch English videos, repeat the sentences.
Pause the video.
Then repeat the sentence.
This is called shadowing.
Yes, shadowing helps you sound natural.
Manha, what is the biggest secret to speaking English fluently?
confidence.
Yes.
When you believe in yourself, you speak more.
And when you speak more, you improve faster. Manha, I think many people believe that speaking English fast means speaking English fluently.
Yes, many learners think that.
But is that true?
Not really,
Why not?
because fluency does not mean speed.
That is interesting.
Fluency means speaking clearly and comfortably.
So, speaking slowly is okay?
Yes, speaking slowly is completely okay.
That is good news for beginners.
Yes, beginners should speak slowly.
Slow speaking helps your brain organize words.
Exactly.
Many learners try to speak very big sentences.
Yes, and that can make them nervous.
Instead, they should use simple sentences.
Simple sentences are powerful.
For example, I like tea.
Or, I am learning English.
Or, I am happy today.
These sentences are small but meaningful.
Yes, communication is happening.
Let us show how to build a sentence step by step.
Good idea.
First say, I study.
Then you can say, I study English.
Then make it longer. I study English every day.
Then, even longer, I study English every day because I want to improve.
See? One sentence grows slowly.
And it becomes stronger. Manha, can I tell a short story?
Of course, stories are great for learning.
I once met a student named Ahmed.
What happened with Ahmed?
Ahmed understood English very well,
That is good.
but he never spoke.
Why?
He was afraid of making mistakes.
That is very common.
One day, I told him something simple.
What did you tell him?
I said, speak English with me for 5 minutes every day.
And did he try?
Yes, he tried.
What happened after that?
At first, his sentences were very simple.
That is normal.
But after 1 month, something amazing happened.
What happened?
His confidence increased.
That is wonderful.
After 3 months, he was speaking much better.
Practice changed his English.
Yes, practice changed everything.
Listening is also very important for speaking.
Yes, listening fills your brain with English.
When you listen to English every day, your brain learns patterns.
Then speaking becomes easier.
That is why podcasts are very helpful.
Yes, podcasts train your ears.
You can learn English from your daily life.
How?
Describe what you are doing.
For example,
I am drinking tea.
I am opening the door.
I am walking outside.
This turns daily life into English practice.
Some learners say they have nobody to practice with.
Yes, many people say that.
But you can still practice.
How?
Speak when you are alone.
That is a great idea.
Talk to yourself in English.
Your brain will get used to English thinking. Vocabulary is also important.
Yes, but do not try to memorize thousands of words quickly.
That can feel stressful.
Instead, learn words from real conversations.
For example, words like morning, work, food, friend.
These words are used every day.
Manha, I think learners should celebrate small progress.
I agree.
If today you speak 1 sentence, that is progress.
If tomorrow you speak 2 sentences, that is even better.
Small steps lead to big results.
Let me remind our listeners of something important.
What is it?
You do not need perfect English to start speaking.
You just need courage.
Yes, courage and practice.
And that brings us to the end of another wonderful English learning conversation here on Dr. Manha English Channel.
Today, we talked about a very powerful idea.
Talk first, think later. Don't wait for perfect grammar.
Do not wait for perfect vocabulary. Just begin speaking.
Every sentence you speak is a step forward.
Every small practice session builds your confidence.
And every day you are getting closer to your goal of speaking English fluently.
Remember, learning English is not a race.
It is a journey.
Enjoy the journey
Be patient with yourself.
and keep practicing every day.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please like this video and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Your support helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English easily.
And don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel so you never miss our upcoming English podcasts, speaking lessons, and practice conversations.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us today.
We truly appreciate you. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning.
And we will meet you again in the next episode of Dr. Manha English Channel.
Until then, stay positive, stay confident, and keep improving your English.
Goodbye, everyone.